Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1 with the latest news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin in English. I'm Árpád Szőci. Thanks for joining us. The next coronavirus vaccination drive starts this Thursday and continues till Saturday. Across the country, you can get your shot without having to book an appointment or pre-register. You can get it done at hospital vaccination centers, county health care centers, and at your family physicians. State Secretary and head of the Vaccination Task Force, István György, told Public Media's all-news TV station M1 that all 5 brands of vaccines are available. The National Public Health Center is updating some of its guidelines when it comes to coronavirus vaccinations. The head of its epidemiology section, Ágnes Galgóci, told Public Media's all-news TV station M1 that even if you do get sick from the disease prior to being inoculated, you can still get vaccinated without any waiting time in between. That's because vaccines provide a more measurable and more secure immunity, she said. After a recent reduction in the number of positive coronavirus cases in the country, wastewater samples now show that coronavirus levels are on the rise. That's what the head of epidemiology at the National Public Health Center also announced. She said that that's the case in many cities across the country and that only a few places are showing a decrease. Salaries continue to rise in Hungary, according to the latest data from the Central Statistical Office. In October, average gross earnings for full-time employees were 8.5% higher than a year earlier. Average monthly gross earnings were almost the equivalent of 1,200 euros. The State Secretary for Employment Policy told Public Media's all-news TV station that compared to 2010, the minimum wage for non-tradespeople has risen 172%, and for skilled people, 190%. More than 70,000 people completed an online survey by the government dealing with environmental issues, according to Commissioner Zsolt Nyitrai. He said that the vast majority of respondents support the government's goals, but 81% said only if they still retain secure energy supplies. The biggest agreeing point was the polluter pays. Furthermore, 99% said that disposable returnable plastic bottles should be refundable. The city of Miskolc in northeastern Hungary has won an international competition for having the best Christmas-decorated streetcars. It's the 5th time it's taken the award. 11 countries submitted 23 entries in this event, organized by a website in the Czech Republic. The streetcars in Miskolc have been done up for Christmas the past 10 years, and you still have until Thursday to get on board these very festive done-up modes of public transportation. And that's all for now, but you can always watch Hungary Reports live after the Hungarian language news at 11:20 p.m. Central European Time. You can also catch the show in repeats and online. Thanks very much for watching, and minden jót!